In today's video, we're going to walk around and check out some of the murals here in Eastman, Georgia. I am Danny, and welcome to my channel, Danovator, where my experiences become your adventure. Remember to please subscribe and please hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next video. And if you like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. The first mural we're going to see is located on 2nd Avenue inside the Eastman, Georgia Post Office. This mural was painted on canvas in 1938 by Arthur E. Smaltz. It was later restored and placed in this post office in 1988. The name of this mural is Georgia Lumberman Receiving Mail by Star Route Wagon. Located on 500 Martin Luther King Drive is where we'll find our next mural. It is located at the Peabody School, which was built in 1938. For the first time in Eastman, Georgia's history, on June 2021, the city hosted its Juneteenth celebration here at the Peabody School, with this mural being the focal point for unity in the community. This mural was painted by professional artist Kevin Sean Lewis. Now I will drive back to Main Street and we will explore the remaining murals on foot. This is the Stuckey mural painted by professional artist Christopher Johnson in 2022. It is located on the corner of Main Street and 5th Avenue across from the old train depot. This mural is a tribute to Ethel and William Sylvester Stuckey Sr. Eastman is home of the original pecan log roll. The old stylish Stuckey store image is a nice touch. From the humble beginning in 1937, W.S.'s granddaughter, Stephanie, will continue the Stuckey legacy into the future. We're walking down 5th Avenue and going to turn up here at Oak Street to our next mural. On the corner of Oak and Main, that's W.S. Stuckey Sr.'s house. Very soon I need to cross Oak Street. Our next mural is located across from the funeral home on 3rd and Oak. This mural represents some of the places located in Eastman. Places like the historical Dodge County Courthouse, the William Pitt Eastman House, the old train depot, the Heart of Georgia Regional Airport, the Industrial Park, the Water Tower, the old Eastman School, and a couple of the popular crops grown here, cotton and peanuts. I could not verify who Sandy Bland is. Please leave a comment if you know for certain that if it's the artist or if it's the name of someone being remembered. I am continuing my walk down 3rd Avenue. The next mural is located across the tracks to the left. Here's the remnants of an old advertisement. Mather Wynne Royal Owl Flower. This mural was discovered after the adjacent building burned down and they cleared off the plaster that was over the bricks. This is the Christian Life Center mural. I want to give a shout out to the lady who showed me where this hidden gem of a mural was located. And again, there's the name Sandy Bland. I am not certain if this is the artist or if it's the name of a person that's being remembered. Please leave a comment if you know. Across from the mural is the Christian Life Center. I am now walking north on King Street. And the First United Methodist is located there, and on the other side of it is the Eastman Courthouse. Here's Eastman's veteran mural, located on the corner of 4th and Main. The American Legion Post 126, along with the organization Leave It Better, created this mural to represent all of the men and women who served in our U.S. military. This was painted by artist Christopher Johnson in 2022. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed my video and us exploring the murals around Eastman, Georgia. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit that bell notification so you'll know when I release my next video. And I wish all y'all a Happy New Year. And always remember, your adventure awaits with the Danovator. I'll see y'all the next time.